Hi guys, welcome! My name is Cici and I'm here to help you with different options to eat better. 90% of the Americans, they don't eat bright colors like pink, red, purple, and orange. So let me show you some ideas, and I go to the store with Michelle. Hi Michelle.
Welcome. Today we're going to be going to Sprouts to look at some very nice fruit. Let's go. Many red fruits and veggies contain plenty of antioxidants, such as lycopene and anthocyanins that help fight heart disease, prostate cancer, decrease risk of stroke, and helps against tobacco damage in the lungs. Ellagic acid, quercetin that Kalanchoes have that help with your immune system, helps you perk right up, and quercetin levels. Red, packed with vitamin C, A, and potassium. Yellow and orange can boost immune system and enhance your vision. Those Karens aren't a joke after all. Green aids blood clotting, vision health, and strong bones and teeth, and the best color to eat out of all the colors. Blue purple boost urinary tract health and memory functions for the Sudoku players out there. Red fruits lower your blood pressure, reduce tumor growth, and help with supporting tissue in people with arthritis. And here are a couple fruits and vegetables that actually are very helpful. Strawberries have folate that help heart health and is known to decrease certain birth defects, and best to eat during your childbearing years, if you're a woman, of course. Cherries maintain low blood pressure and is high in fiber, and when you can't sleep, just a handful of these and you'll definitely feel much sleepier. Cranberries kill cancer cells and stop bacteria from sticking to your urinary tract walls. If you're a woman, you already know that already. Tomatoes give some protection against breast and prostate cancer. Raspberries lower bad cholesterol and is high in fiber. Watermelon decreases risk for certain cancers and improves blood vessels. Pink grapefruit helps lower cholesterol and is high in antioxidants. However, it's only the pink grapefruit and not the white grapefruit. It is not the same. Red peppers has vitamin A and helps your bone, skin, and teeth. And beets is high in folate, lycopene, and has anthocyanins. And as you know, these things are all good for your health, but in moderation. And just because it's red in color doesn't mean that it's bad for you. As you know, red 40 is a food dye that's very, very terrible in food. And some nurses have actually been very, very against having to serve it to people in their care and prefer the more natural route. During the time Cici had her cancer, obviously we wanted to give her the best chance of going through it, so to speak, and we looked up the best things to improve her diet because there's only so much you can do. And thankfully, Sprouts had a juicing section at the time, and we learned a lot of new and interesting things from the fruits and vegetables there. And one useful thing that we learned is turmeric is actually very good for fighting against cancer. That's something we didn't know. And the gentleman at the counter said, oh yeah, a lot of people that have chemo treatments have a lot of juices with turmeric in it. And is very, very powerful anti-cancer fighter. So whenever you're in this sort of battle, you always need to have a trick up your sleeve. So whether you're in bad health or having cancer, whatever reason you have, always try to have a fruit or a vegetable. Even if you're a picky eater, there's gonna be something you like. Anyway, thank you so much for watching our video, and have a lovely one. Bye-bye.